Hello friends, today we will learn our fourth chapter financial planning. In this we have to learn GST. In our country, GST tax system is in practice for business. What is meant by GST? GST stands for Goods and Service Tax. Goods and Service Tax is the GST. The whole country follows the same tax system. First, we have different systems in India. Before GST, every state has variety of taxes levied at different stages of the trading. All these taxes are subsum under GST. That is why GST is one nation, one tax, one market. GST is in effect from 1st July 2017. Before GST, there were so many taxes: excise duty, service tax, custom duty, central surcharge and cess, VAT, luxury tax, entertainment tax, octroi, CST, countervailing duty, CVD, special additional duty, ACD. These all types of taxes are subsum to GST, that is goods and service tax, in 2017. We explain some new terms regarding GST. The GST has two main components, CGST and SGST. GST has two components, CGST and SGST. What are GST and SGST? CGST is nothing but the Central Goods and Service Tax, which is to be paid to the central government. We have to pay this tax to central government. It is called as CGST. SGST is a state good and service tax which is to be paid to state government. Keep in mind that CGST is paid to central government and SGST is paid to state government. Then next term is GSTIN. GSTIN is nothing but goods and service tax identification number. Goods and service tax identification number. GSTIN is the dealer's identification number. GSTIN is mandatory for the dealers whose annual turnover in previous financial year exceeds rupees 20 lakh. GSTIN has 15 alphanumericals. It includes 10-digit PAN of the dealer. This is a GSTIN of someone dealer. In this GST, the first two digits is a state code. In this digit, 27 is the code given. This is a state code of Maharashtra. 27, these first two digits are state code. Further 10 digits are PAN of the firm. A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4 and H. These red color digits shows the PAN of the firm. 13th digit represent registration. One time one represent the one registration. 14th digit Z is uniform for all, and checksum digit, this is the last digit. It confirms the validity of the GSTIN when entered on GST portal. Note that the 27 is a state code of Maharashtra. From 27, one can understand that the person or the firm is registered in Maharashtra. What is the difference in codes in goods and service tax invoices? In the tax invoices for goods, there is HSN code, while in service invoice there is SSC code. Services are classified and special code number are given. These code numbers are called as SAC, that is Service Accounting Code. SAC means Service Accounting Code. Note that rates on goods and services, SAC and SSN codes, are only for information. We have no need to remember them. Now There are categories of GST. First category is zero rated category. In the zero rated category, the rate of GST is 0%. That means it is free from GST. Goods under this category are essential commodities like food grains, fruits, vegetables, milk, salt, earthen pots, etc. And services under zero rated category are charitable trust activities, transport of water, use of road and bridges, public library agriculture related services, education and healthcare services, etc. Second category is low rated GST. It has 5% rate. Goods under this category are commonly used items, that is LPG cylinder, tea, coffee, oil, honey, frozen vegetables, spices, sweets, etc. And services under this category are railway transport services, bus transport services, taxi services, air transport, economic class, hotels providing food and beverages, etc. Third category is standard rated category, first slab. It has 12% interest, 12% GST. Goods under this category are consumer goods, butter, ghee, dry fruits, jam, jelly, sauces, pickles, mobile phones, etc. And services under these are printing job work, guest house, services related to construction, business. Fourth category, standard rated category slab 2. Rate is 18%. GST rate 18%. Most of the goods and services are included. Goods which are included are marble, granite, perfume, metal items, computer, printer, monitor, CCTV, etc. Services, drama, cinema, exhibition, currency exchange, courier services, outdoor catering, circus, broker services, broker and services, share trading, etc. Fifth category, highly rated category. Rate of GST is at 28%, and goods under this category are luxury items, a motorcycle and spare parts, luxury car, pan masala, vacuum cleaner, dishwasher, AC, washing machine, fridge, tobacco products, aerated water, etc. And services under this category are five-star hotel accommodation, amusement park, water parks, theme parks, casino, race course, IPL games, air transport, business class, etc. This information is taken from www.cbec.gov.in, Central Board of Excise and Customs. The rates and types of GST are prescribed government at the time of writing this chapter. GST rates are subject to change. Electricity, petrol, diesel, etc. are not under purview of the GST. Now we shall solve some examples. First example is Aarti Gas Agency supplied LPG cylinder to the consumer for taxable value of rupees 545. GST charge is 5%. What is the amount of CGST and SGST in the tax invoice? What is the total amount paid by the consumer? Find the amount of GST to be paid by Aarti Gas Agency. Solution. Rate of GST is 5%. As CGST and SGST has the same rate, that is half of GST, the rate of CGST is half of 5, that is 2.5%, and rate of SGST is 2.5%. CGST equal to 2.5% of 554. CGST is a 2.5% of 545. That is 2.5 divided by 100 multiplied by 545, which comes to be 13.625. That is nothing but 13 rupees 63 paise. As CGST and SGST are equal, SGST is also 13.63. The amount paid by the consumer is taxable value plus CGST plus SGST. Consumer have to pay both the taxes. That is 545 plus 13.63 plus 13.63, which is 572.26. 572.26. This is total amount paid by the consumer. And Aarti Gas Agency has to pay CGST equal to 13.63 and SGST is equal to 13.63, and the total GST is 13.63 into 2, that is 27.626, 27 rupees 26 paise. Second problem, courier service agent charge total rupees 590 to courier a parcel from Nashik to Nagpur. In the tax invoice, taxable value is 500, on which CGST is rupees 45 and SGST is rupees 45. Find the rate of GST charge for this service. Solution: total GST is CGST plus SGST, which is 45 plus 45 equal to 90. Rate of GST equal to 90 by 500, because 90 is a charge on 500 rupees. 90 divided by 500 multiplied by 100, which is 18%. Rate of GST charged by the agent is 18%. Third problem. Srikar brought a laptop with 10% discount on printed price. The printed price of that laptop was rupees 50,000. 18% GST was charged on discounted price. Find the amount of CGST and SGST. What amount did Srikar pay? This is our problem. Solution is discount. 10% is given, and 10% is given on printed price, that is 50,000 rupees. Therefore 10% of 50,000 is nothing but 5,000. Therefore taxable value of laptop equal to 50,000 minus 5,000, that is 45,000 is the taxable value of the laptop. Rate of GST is 18% given. Therefore rate of CGST is half of that, 9%. Rate of SGST is also 9%. CGST is 9% of 45,000, which is 9 divided by 100 multiplied by 45,000, which is 4,050 rupees. As CGST and SGST are equal, CGST and SGST are equal, this implies that SGST is also 4,050. Total amount paid by Srikar is taxable value plus CGST plus SGST, which is 45,000 plus 4,050 plus 4,050, that is equal to 53,100. Answer: Srikar paid 53,100 for the laptop. Note that value of goods on which GST is levied is called taxable value. GST is not charged on printed value. It is a charge on taxable values. Total value or invoice value is the value with GST. If not mentioned, take the selling price as a taxable price. Remember that in tax invoice, CGST amount is always equal to SGST amount. We shall solve practice set 4.1. First problem. Pawan Medical supplies medicines. On some medicine, the rate of GST is 12%. Then what is the rate of CGST and SGST? Solution. We know that rate of CGST and SGST are equal and they are half of the GST. Therefore, GST is a 12%. Hence, CGST is half of 12, that is 6. Therefore, CGST is 6%. Similarly, here GST is also 6%. Next problem. On certain article, if rate of CGST is 9%, what is the rate of SGST? And what is the rate of GST? We know that CGST is given 9% and CGST and SGST have same rate. Therefore, SGST is also 9% and GST is nothing but CGST plus SGST, that is 9 plus 9% equal to 18%. Therefore, GST is 18%. Next problem. Mrs. Real Paint sold 2 tins of luxury paint and taxable value of each tin in 2,800 rupees. If the rate of GST is at 28%, find the amount of CGST and SGST charge in tax invoice. Taxable amount is, as he sold 2 tins having 2,800 rupees price of each tin, the taxable amount is 2800 multiplied by 2. 2800 multiplied by 2 is nothing but 5600. Rate of GST is given 28%. Therefore, CGST is a 14% and SGST is a 14%. CGST equal to 14% of 5600, that is a 14 by 100 multiplied by 5600, which is 784. SGST is equal to CGST. Therefore, SGST equal to 784 rupees. Next problem. The taxable value of a wristwatch belt is rupees 586. Rate of GST is 18%. Then what is the price of that belt for the customer? Taxable value of the belt is given 586. GST is given 18%. Therefore, GST on the belt is 18% of 586. That is 18 by 100 multiplied by 586. And this is 105.48. 105.48. Therefore, price of the belt for the consumer is nothing but the taxable value plus GST. Customer has to pay GST additionally. It is nothing but 586 plus 105.48 equal to price of the belt for the customer is nothing but taxable value plus GST. Customer has to pay GST on the taxable value. That is nothing but 586 plus 105.48 is equal to 691.48. Next problem. The total value with GST of a remote control car, toy car, is rupees 1770. Rate of GST is 18% on toys. Find the taxable value of CGST and SGST for the toy car. Solution. Total value with GST is 1770 rupees and we have to calculate taxable amount. So we assume that taxable amount is X rupees. Therefore, X plus taxable value plus GST equal to 1770. Therefore, we get equation X plus X multiplied by 18 by 100 equal to 1770. If we add these two terms, we will get 118 divided by 100 X equal to 1770. And if we transfer the term 118 by 100 to the right hand side, we get X equal to 1770 multiplied by 100 divided by 118. The calculation gives us 1500. Therefore, the taxable value is 1500. GST is nothing but total value minus taxable amount, that is 1770 minus 1500. It is nothing but 270. CGST and SGST are equal and that those are half and that are the half of the GST. CGST and SGST are equal and has a value half of GST, that is 272 by 2, which is 135. Therefore, CGST is 135, SGST is 135. Next problem. Tip Top Electronics supplies an AC of 1.5 ton to a company. Cost of AC supplies is rupees 51,200 with GST. Rate of CGST on AC is 14%. Then find the following amounts as shown in tax invoice of laptop by the electronics. First, we have to calculate rate of SGST. Second, rate of GST on AC. Third, taxable value of AC. Fourth, total amount of GST. Fifth, amount of CGST. Sixth, amount of SGST. Let us try to find out one by one. Rate of SGST and rate of CGST are equal and they are half of GST. CGST rate is given 14%. Therefore, rate of SGST is also 14%. Second, to find out rate of GST, GST is nothing but SGST plus CGST, which is nothing but 14 plus 14 equal to 28%. To find out taxable value, suppose taxable amount is rupees X. Therefore, taxable amount plus GST gives us total amount, selling price. Therefore, X plus 28 by 100 of X equal to 51,200. If we simplify this, we will get 128X divided by 100 equal to 51,200. And if we transfer 128 by 100 to the right hand side, we will get X equal to 51,200 multiplied by 100 divided by 128, which is 40,000. Therefore, taxable amount is 40,000. GST equal to total amount minus taxable amount equal to 51,200 minus 40,000, which is 11,200. Therefore, GST paid is 11,200. CGST, SGST are same and they are half of the GST, which is nothing but 11,200 divided by 2 equal to 5,600. Hence, amount of CGST is 5,600, amount of SGST is 5,600. Dear friend, if you are not subscribed the channel yet, subscribe the channel and don't forget to press bell icon so that you can get updates of this channel. Thank you. See you in next video.